Ka silam ai jing hikai ban sim yak jing long Lyngdoh Sohblei jong ka balang Catholic yak balatip kum kasen Claret Seminary menta kasngi kelapan long yak jing rakhe kenmau burom yak lengku dap snam bah nyu pusan jong kri India lan ke Independence Day. Kene ke jing penlong yak ne ke jing bo jing kenmau ha kene silam ai jing hikai kalong kum Shimbynta ban yak men lang rengkat bat gari barok away ban long kum jing yesno ketilang bat kejat ban riu. Ha kene kasngi ki khun samlai senrang kene kasilam ai jing hikai ban long Lyngdoh Sohblei kilap long ya kaparit kum ka jing borom ya sipai gari batru lapan kiu ya kalama lairong jong gari India ha ka jing wan poi jong ba kenjo lang rang tong ubri blok koordinator jong ko SBM umsning CNRT blok kumu kongsan nalor jong ba kenjo lang rang tong kumu kongsan lai don lang hakene kasngi da ufada Roy Bok Biam kumu administrator kasing Claret Seminary umsning ufadar Naven Bunga ubri vocation promoter bat kiwe-kiwe.
I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders
India, here in this community with all of you, the Claretian community. I would like to thank all the fathers who have invited me today and all the colleagues who have consented to come together with me, and they are here today. A very short message on this Independence Day to you, my dear fathers and brothers. India as a nation, it has come a long way throughout the 75 years to make India as it is today. With all the atrocities and the destruction that the West has caused to this beloved nation of ours, India has to take into considerations the different dimensions of life to rebuild this nation. And I would dare to say that we cannot deny the fact that the missionaries like the Claretians, they have, and you have contributed immensely to rebuilding this nation. We are the proud Indian. As an Indian, as a citizen of this country, and as a Christian who live freely in this country, we can profess our faith. It is our due responsibility to give respect to this nation. Dear friends, brothers, fathers, I don't have much to say. I just want to say this. We have contributed so much to this nation, and this nation still needs us. There are billions of Indians who still cannot eat well as we are doing now. It is therefore our moral responsibility, especially to you, my dear brothers, who are the future of this country. I have hope. The society has hope and everybody, we are having hope when we see this many brothers in this community who are preparing themselves. And we should remember that while we are serving the church and the people, we are also contributing to rebuilding this nation and to building this nation and make this nation a prosperous, healthy, and a peaceful nation. Only this word, I would like to wish all the fathers and brothers and every one of us here a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
In the day of remembrance of independence, honoring all our nation, remembering us one people, the country. It's a great day for all Indians to remember the great leaders who have worked hard to bring the freedom for all the people of India. As we gather here, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest and all the guests who have come here, and especially I would like to ask Father Roybok